Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful birthday card using Canva. First, simply log into your Canva account or sign up for free if you haven't already. Once inside, head to the search bar and type birthday card to discover hundreds of fantastic templates. Take your time browsing through the many choices, then pick one that truly resonates with the birthday person style and your creative ideas. It's the perfect starting point for a personalized gift. Now, let's make that card uniquely yours. You can easily change the text, experiment with dozens of fonts, and select colors that perfectly match your theme. Feel free to upload your own cherished photos or explore Canva's vast library of images and graphics to find the ideal additions. Remember to adjust the size and position of all elements to create a harmonious and visually appealing design. This step truly brings your card to life. To give your card that extra sparkle, dive into the Elements tab. Here, you'll find thousands of stickers, shapes, and decorative graphics to enhance your design. If you're making a digital card, consider adding subtle animations or special effects for a truly unique touch. Don't forget to experiment with various backgrounds and textures. These can add significant depth and visual interest, making your birthday card truly stand out from the rest. Congratulations, your amazing birthday card is complete. Now it's time to share your masterpiece. You can easily download your finished card in several formats, like a high-quality PDF for printing or a JPG file for digital sharing. Canva also allows you to share your creation directly via email or across popular social media platforms. If you prefer a physical card, you can print it at home or send it to a professional printing service for a beautifully polished copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.